The human digestive tract is home to a vast and intricate ecosystem of microorganisms, collectively known as intestinal flora or gut microbiota. This community consists of trillions of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes, with hundreds of different species coexisting in a delicate balance. These microorganisms are not merely passive inhabitants, they actively contribute to essential bodily functions. One of their primary roles is aiding digestion. Gut bacteria break down complex carbohydrates, fibers, and other indigestible compounds, converting them into short-chain fatty acids and other metabolites that the body can use for energy. Without this microbial assistance, many nutrients would remain inaccessible. Beyond digestion, intestinal flora plays a pivotal role in maintaining immune health. A diverse and balanced microbiota helps train the immune system, distinguishing between harmful pathogens and harmless substances. This reduces the risk of infections and autoimmune reactions. Probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria, can be introduced through foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables to support microbial diversity. Conversely, factors like antibiotics or poor diet can disrupt this balance, leading to dysbiosis, a condition linked to various health issues. The gut-brain axis highlights another fascinating aspect of intestinal flora, its influence on mental health. The microbiota produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and cognitive function. Research suggests that an unhealthy gut may contribute to stress, anxiety, and even depression. By nurturing a diverse and balanced gut microbiome through diet and lifestyle, individuals can positively impact both their physical and mental well-being, underscoring the profound connection between gut health and overall health. The human digestive tract is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as intestinal flora. These microbes form a symbiotic relationship with the body, playing a vital role in maintaining immune function. A balanced gut microbiota acts as a frontline defender, preventing harmful bacteria from colonizing the gut and entering the bloodstream. Beneficial bacteria compete with pathogens for resources and space, effectively crowding them out. They also produce antimicrobial compounds that inhibit the growth of harmful microbes, reducing the risk of infections. The immune system and gut microbiota are deeply interconnected. Around 70% of the body's immune cells reside in the gut-associated lymphoid tissue GELT, where they interact with bacteria to develop immune tolerance and appropriate responses. A diverse gut microbiome trains immune cells to distinguish between harmless substances and genuine threats, preventing unnecessary inflammation. When gut flora is imbalanced, due to poor diet, stress, or antibiotic use, the immune system may overact, increasing susceptibility to allergies, autoimmune disorders, and chronic inflammation. Antibiotics, while life-saving, can disrupt gut flora by indiscriminately killing both harmful and beneficial bacteria. This disruption weakens immune defenses, sometimes leading to opportunistic infections like Clostridioides difficile. To mitigate these effects, prebiotics, non-digestible fibers that feed beneficial bacteria, can help restore balance. Foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and whole grains are rich in prebiotics, promoting the growth of immune-supporting microbes. Probiotic supplements or fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut can also reintroduce helpful strains such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. Maintaining a robust immune system isn't just about preventing infections. It's about fostering a thriving gut ecosystem. By prioritizing gut health through diet and mindful antibiotic use, we empower our bodies to defend against illness more effectively. Future research continues to uncover how specific bacterial strains influence immunity, paving the way for targeted therapies that harness the power of intestinal flora. The gut and brain are in constant communication through a complex network known as the gut-brain axis. This bidirectional pathway involves the nervous system, hormones, and immune signals, allowing the gut microbiota to influence brain function and vice versa. Trillions of microbes in the gut produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and gamma-aminobutyric acids GABA, which play key roles in regulating mood, anxiety, and even cognitive processes. Surprisingly, about 90% of the body's serotonin, often called the feel-good hormone, is produced in the gut, not the brain. This highlights how closely gut health is tied to emotional well being, and mental health. Stress and emotions can also impact gut flora composition, creating a feedback loop. Chronic stress, for example, may disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria, leading to gastrointestinal issues like bloating or discomfort. Conversely, an unhealthy gut can exacerbate stress and anxiety, demonstrating the delicate interplay between the two systems. Research has shown that individuals with certain gut bacteria profiles are more prone to conditions like depression or anxiety, further underscoring the gut-brain connection. Dietary choices play a significant role here. Foods rich in prebiotics like garlic, onions, and bananas, and probiotics, such as yogurt and kimchi, can support a balanced microbiome, potentially improving mental health. Emerging studies are exploring how targeted dietary interventions could help manage mood disorders by optimizing gut health. For instance, Mediterranean diets, high in fiber and healthy fats, have been linked to lower rates of depression, possibly due to their positive effects on gut microbiota. As scientists unravel more about this intricate relationship, personalized nutrition based on individual gut profiles may become a key strategy for enhancing both mental and physical well-being. The gut-brain axis is a promising frontier in understanding how what we eat shapes not just our bodies but our minds as well. An imbalance in intestinal flora, known as dysbiosis, can lead to a range of health issues, disrupting the delicate harmony of the gut ecosystem. When harmful bacteria outnumber beneficial ones, it can trigger digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, causing symptoms such as bloating, cramps, and irregular bowel movements. The gut's role extends beyond digestion. Its imbalance is also linked to metabolic conditions like obesity, where altered microbiota may affect energy extraction and fat storage. Chronic inflammation is another consequence of dysbiosis, as an unhealthy gut lining may allow toxins to leak into the bloodstream, a condition often referred to as leaky gut. This can activate the immune system unnecessarily, contributing to autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease (IBD). Research suggests that the gut microbiome's composition influences the body's inflammatory responses, highlighting its far-reaching impact on overall health. Autoimmune disorders, where the body attacks its own tissues, are increasingly connected to gut health. For instance, an overgrowth of certain bacteria may mimic the body's proteins, confusing the immune system and leading to conditions like lupus or type 1 diabetes. Addressing gut flora imbalances through diet, probiotics, and medical interventions could potentially mitigate these risks, underscoring the importance of maintaining a diverse and balanced microbiome for long-term well-being. The delicate balance of intestinal flora can be disrupted by factors like poor diet, stress, or antibiotics, leading to digestive issues and weakened immunity. Probiotics, often referred to as good bacteria, are live microorganisms that replenish and diversify the gut microbiota. Found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, these beneficial microbes help restore harmony in the gut by crowding out harmful pathogens. Supplementation with specific probiotic strains, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, can also target particular health concerns, from bloating to immune support. However, not all probiotics are the same, and choosing the right strain for individual needs is essential. Prebiotics, on the other hand, act as food for these beneficial bacteria, helping them thrive. These non-digestible fibers are found in foods like garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, and whole grains. By nourishing the existing gut bacteria, prebiotics enhance microbial diversity and promote the production of short-chain fatty acids, which support gut lining integrity and reduce inflammation. Combining probiotics and prebiotics, often called symbiotics, can amplify their benefits, creating a more resilient gut environment. While these tools are powerful, they must be used thoughtfully. Overconsumption of certain probiotics or prebiotics can cause temporary discomfort, such as gas or bloating, as the gut adjusts. Consulting a healthcare provider for personalized recommendations ensures safe and effective use, especially for individuals with digestive disorders or compromised immune systems. Ultimately, a balanced approach that includes both probiotics and prebiotics is key to maintaining a thriving intestinal ecosystem. A fiber-rich diet is essential for maintaining a healthy gut, as it provides the necessary nutrients to support a diverse and balanced intestinal flora. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts are packed with dietary fiber, which acts as a prebiotic, fueling the growth of beneficial bacteria. These microbes, in turn, produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and enhance immune function. By incorporating a variety of plant-based foods, individuals can promote microbial diversity, which is linked to better digestion, improved metabolism, and even mental well-being. Processed sugars and artificial additives, on the other hand, can disrupt the delicate balance of gut bacteria, favoring the growth of harmful microbes. High sugar intake has been associated with increased gut permeability, inflammation, and a higher risk of conditions like obesity and type 2 diabetes. Reducing consumption of sugary snacks, sodas, and refined carbohydrates can help maintain a healthier gut environment. Instead, opting for natural sweeteners like honey or whole fruits can satisfy cravings while supporting microbial health. Hydration is another critical factor in gut health. Water aids digestion, helps transport nutrients, and ensures smooth bowel movements, preventing constipation. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers and melons can also contribute to daily fluid intake. Additionally, fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi introduce probiotics, live beneficial bacteria, that further enhance gut flora balance. By making mindful dietary choices, individuals can cultivate a thriving gut ecosystem, laying the foundation for long-term health and wellness. The field of gut health is rapidly evolving, with researchers uncovering new insights into how personalized nutrition can optimize well-being. Advances in microbiome testing now allow scientists to analyze an individual's unique gut flora composition, identifying specific bacterial strains and their ratios. This data enables the development of tailored dietary plans designed to address imbalances or deficiencies in a person's microbiota. For example, someone with low levels of beneficial bifidobacterium might receive recommendations for high-fiber foods and specific probiotics to encourage its growth. Emerging technologies, such as AI-driven microbiome analysis, are making it easier to predict how different foods will interact with an individual's gut ecosystem. Studies are also investigating how factors like genetics, lifestyle, and even birth method influence gut flora, allowing for more precise dietary interventions. Personalized nutrition could revolutionize the prevention and management of conditions like obesity, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders by targeting gut health at an individual level. Ongoing research explores the potential of fecal microbiota transplantation, FMT, and next-generation probiotics engineered to deliver specific bacterial strains. Scientists are also examining how gut microbes interact with medications, paving the way for microbiome-informed drug therapies. As our understanding deepens, the future of health may involve regular microbiome check-ups and customized meal plans, ensuring optimal gut flora balance for each person's unique biological needs.